Good morning all students. Today in this video we will discuss about the apparent weight of body in a lift. What do you mean by apparent weight? This is the name of the chapter. Chapter name Laws of Motion. Laws of motion. And topic I told apparent weight of body in a lift. Apparent weight of body in a lift. See there, maybe you have observed whenever you are using the lift, so what you experience when the lift goes upward, or what you experience when the lift moves downward. So at that time we have to discuss about the weight. Which weight? That is called the different from others. Means that is not actual. Apparent means not actual. So that we are considering here one condition. Suppose that this is a lift is there. This is a lift is at rest. Rest means acceleration is 0. Second case, this is the second case is there, in which same body is placed here, mass m, air mass m. In this case, lift is moving upward with acceleration a. In this case, lift is moving upward. Okay. And in third case, same lift, the mass of body m is moving downward with acceleration a. So here we are considering rest. This is the case of the rest. This is the case of upward motion, or this is the case of downward. Is it clear? So we are considering here three cases of the lift. See, this is the weight. This is the the weight is a vector quantity, so always acts in a downward direction. Weight always acts, as you know, weight is a vector quantity. Weight is a vector quantity, so it always moves, always acts downward. Here we tell that reaction R, here we take the reaction R dash, or here take the reaction R double dash. Okay, already I have told M mass of body in a lift. Mass of body in a lift. So what is the actual weight? So actual weight जो हो गया, weight of body, actual weight of body will be mg. So first case we are taking when lift is at rest. So at rest, see there, neither body moves upward, not body moves downward. So here, this is the equilibrium case. The equilibrium, that is R is equal to mg. This equilibrium case is there, so R is equal to mg. Means here we can tell कि apparent weight जो हो गया, apparent weight is equal to क्या? Apparent weight is equal to actual weight. means there is no change in this case. First case we have taken. Now second case when upward motion. So upward motion means what? You know that the two forces acting, one force acts downward and another force acts upward. Or still, this is the body here, the body neither moves upward nor acceleration is zero. But here body moves upward. In such a case, R dash will be greater than mg. So what will be net force in this case? Net force will be R dash minus mg. You know that if the two forces acting on a body, or if a body, suppose at one side 10 Newton force act, other side 20 Newton force act, in which direction body will move? 20 Newton. But try to understand, 20 Newton force is not responsible for the motion of body. So what is the net force? 20 minus 10, because 10 Newton or 10 Newton both are balanced it. A net force that is my ma, because a is the acceleration is there. तो क्या हो जाएगा? R dash minus mg, और R dash is equal to, we can write ma plus mg. Okay, so that m we have taken common, so g plus a. तो what happens? mg plus a, इसका मतलब जो हो गया कि apparent weight जो है, apparent weight is more than actual weight, more than actual weight. So always we have to keep, because here g plus a becomes, or in NCERT in exercise one question is given on the basis of this. Next, when body downward motion, this is upward motion, this was upward motion, and now in case of downward motion, what will be in case of the downward motion? In case of downward means body moves. So here the two, mg acts downward or r double dash acts upward. So what is the net force here? Here that is the mg is greater than r double dash. mg is greater than r double dash. So what will be the here net force? Similarly, you can find net force. What will be? Net force will be क्या? mg minus r double dash. mg minus r double dash. Or mg, that is the ma net force, mg minus r double dash. So that r double dash is equal to mg minus ma. M we have taken common, so that g minus a. See there, in case of when the body at rest, we got r is equal to mg, apparent weight, or mg is the actual weight. But here in case of forward motion, you have seen mg, this is actual weight plus ma. It means what? The apparent weight of the body in case of moving upward depends upon the acceleration of the body. जितना fast, or maybe you have observed whenever you sat on the rides, different types of rides is there. Whenever its speed increases, so you experience that कि हाँ, कि we become very heavier. But same time if the speed increases or you comes downward, तो actual weight से क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. तो apparent weight here will be apparent weight is less than actual weight. When while coming downward, you experience of like your body, I become very lighter. because here formula mg minus ma. So the one case is there कि the mechanism failed. इसी केस में कहते हैं if mechanism fail, if mechanism fail means that through which suppose that rope, that is also called if the rope of lift is broken, so in such a case what will be? A and G will be equal. That is the case of the free fall. That is the case of free fall. क्या बता रहे हैं कि जब एक्सेलरेशन, जब कोई लिफ्ट जो है जस्ट इट मूव्स विद द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, दैट इज द केस ऑफ द फ्री फॉल. तो व्हाट विल यू सच ए केस, डाउनवर्ड का केस लगाओ, देन r dash is equal to you got mg minus a, so that is the mg minus g is equal to 0. This is the case of weightlessness. This is a case of the weightlessness. तो weightlessness का केस जो होता है, एक तो होता है सैटेलाइट के अंदर, whenever the satellite orbits to the in the radius around the earth. Second case in case of the free fall, or third in case of at the center of earth. We will study in chapter of gravitation. So this is the topic, apparent weight of body in a case of lift. You have to keep, again I am repeating, when lift is at rest, apparent weight or actual weight, that is equal will be there. When lift is moving upward, the apparent weight will be greater than the actual weight. When the lift moving downward, apparent weight will be the less than actual weight. और in case of the free fall क्या होगा? Free fall, that is the weightlessness of it. So I think you have seen, or those who have not seen the previous video, so just see my channel name Uday Kant Roy Physics, or compare whenever you see the continuous. So that is my request is there. See the video, subscribe it, so that whatever the video I will upload, you will get the further notification and like it. Thank you all of you.